Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best power impact wrench available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick DeWalt Power Impact Wrench. This high-torque half-an-inch impact wrench is built for demanding fastening and loosening tasks, delivering an impressive 1030 ft-lbs of fastening torque and up to 1400 ft-lbs of breakaway torque for stubborn bolts and heavy-duty applications. Its 4-mode speed settings combined with a variable speed trigger give users precise control across different jobs, helping prevent over-tightening and reducing fastener damage through improved accuracy. Designed for durability and user protection, it features a battery guard system that absorbs shocks between the tool and battery, extending overall lifespan during tough use. Battery sold separately. The integrated LED work light enhances visibility in dark or confined workspaces, improving safety and precision. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, this impact wrench is a reliable choice for professionals and serious DIY users who need power, control, and durability in automotive, construction, and mechanical fastening tasks. Next up, we have Maxim Power Impact Wrench. This high-performance cordless half-an-inch impact wrench is engineered for heavy-duty applications, delivering up to 900 ft-lbs, 1200 Nm, of torque through a high-efficiency brushless motor. It is designed to handle demanding tasks such as automotive repairs, equipment maintenance, construction work, and DIY projects with speed and reliability. Powered by dual 4,000 mAh batteries and a fast charger, it ensures extended runtime and minimal downtime, while the cordless design enhances mobility and convenience. Built with impact-resistant rubberized ABS housing and chrome vanadium steel sockets, it offers strong durability under tough working conditions. The 3-speed control system, up to 3,800 revolutions per minute, provides flexibility for different tasks, while forward/reverse modes with auto-stop protection improve safety and prevent fastener damage. An integrated LED light and smart trigger response enhance visibility and precision in dark or confined spaces. Coming in at number 3, CZI Power Impact Wrench. This professional-grade electric impact wrench is engineered for extreme efficiency and heavy-duty performance, delivering impressive speed and torque with up to 2,400 revolutions per minute operation. It can install truck wheel bolts in just 3 seconds and remove heavily rusted bolts in about 5 seconds, making it ideal for construction, machinery maintenance, and scaffolding work. Compared to manual tools, it offers up to 90% higher efficiency while reducing physical effort by around 80%, significantly improving productivity and reducing fatigue during long work sessions. A standout feature is its dual 21V 4.0 Ah battery system, providing extended runtime for all-day operation and ensuring minimal downtime. The fast charging capability restores up to 80% in just 30 minutes, allowing quick turnaround between tasks, while the 3 LED power indicator helps users monitor battery status for better planning. Now, at number 4, Arc Captain Power Impact Wrench. This ARCCAPTIN cordless impact wrench is engineered for serious high-torque performance and long-lasting endurance, making it suitable for both professional and heavy DIY applications. Powered by a high-efficiency pure copper brushless motor, it delivers improved runtime, reduced noise, spark-free operation, and significantly better durability compared to traditional motors. With a true maximum reverse torque of up to 1,500 Nm, it easily handles stubborn bolts, including automotive wheel nuts and industrial fasteners, while offering 3 forward torque levels, 500/900/1350 Nm, for controlled precision. The 3-speed settings, 1,500 to 2,500 revolutions per minute, allow flexibility across different tasks, ensuring both power and accuracy. Its upgraded dual 4,000 mAh 15C batteries provide strong, stable output even in low temperatures, fast 1 to 2 hour charging, and multiple safety protections for reliable operation. Reinforced with glass fiber, enhanced housing, it offers excellent impact and heat resistance. And finally, Our last pick, Sevum Power Impact Wrench. The Sevum Power Impact Wrench is designed as a reliable and user-friendly tool for tackling tough fastening and loosening tasks with confidence. Powered by a compact, brushless motor that is 33% more space efficient, it delivers up to 320 ft-lbs for 30 Nm of torque and reaches speeds of up to 3,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring strong performance for automotive repairs, home projects, and general maintenance. The variable speed trigger provides precise control, while the mode switch allows adjustment between 1,400 to 3,000 revolutions per minute and 1980 to 2,900 IPM for different applications. A built-in LED light improves visibility in dark workspaces, and the brake stop function enhances safety by preventing fasteners from dropping during removal. Equipped with a 4.0 Ah battery and fast charger, it supports longer runtime and reduced downtime for continuous work. So those are the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.